Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video to make your Umrah journey hassle-free and seamless. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 essential apps that you can use to make your Umrah seamless and hassle-free. So if you're intending to travel to Saudi Arabia for Umrah, be sure to download the following apps on your phone before you get there. Unlike 20 years ago, things have changed a lot in Makkah and Medina, especially when it comes to mobile apps. Now they are used in both these cities, not only to make your umrah much simpler, but they also saves your time and also prevent you from getting hassled and ripped off. So before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, do remember to subscribe my channel to have more videos like this. So the first app is Nusuk app. The Nusuk app is an umrah experience app which is originally developed so that the app can be used to book slots to pray in the Riyazul Jannah, which in Masjid al-Nabi. Riyazul Jannah is basically the area in Masjid Nabi that have been described by Prophet Muhammad SAW as the garden of the paradise. So therefore it is a highly demanded place to pray. So that's why this app was introduced to book slots for different for everyone, so that everyone can have their share and can utilize their time in Masjid Nabi and their Umrah journey. The second app is HHR train app. This is probably one of the most important app you will need while moving from Makkah to Medina and Medina to Makkah. HHR stands for Haramain High Speed Railway, and it's basically a bullet train that will transport you from Makkah to Medina and Medina to Makkah in just 2 hours. The trains are very clean, modern and very comfortable, and while you're traveling on these trains, you get the views of the Saudi desert, which is very pleasant. You can also take train from Jangda to Makkah airport and Makkah to Jeddah, vice versa, while leaving taxis and buses behind, because if you're traveling in buses or taxis, it's gonna take you a lot of time. When you're going on somewhere, you need energy, and if you drain out while traveling from one place to another, you're not going to enjoy your prayers as well. So comfort is the main thing while traveling. These trains provide you comfort while traveling from one city to another, so make sure to download this app. So the third app is Hislo. This is one of my favorite app when I'm in Saudi Arabia. Hislo is basically a really cool app that makes visiting historical sites across the world very easy. Using a geolocation, this app will provide you all the historical places close to you and will tell you the distance and time it will take for you to reach there. I find quite a few hidden gems in Makkah and Medina while using this app. Over the time they have added more locations into this app. If you love exploring and want to find some cool and hidden places in Makkah and Medina and some cool places of Islamic heritage, then you must have this app in your phone. The next app is Qalam and Uber. These are the most important apps you should have in your phone, because if you want to travel within the city, then these are the apps you should have. There are times when you want to do some specific ziyarat at specific time, then these are the apps you should have in your phone in order to compare. Or if you want to use this app to travel, then there is also an option, but I would prefer to keep them in your phone to compare fares with the riders standing outside your hotel, so that you can have a good idea and you can negotiate with them the rates for going to different ziyarat, because these apps shows correct rates. There's a possibility that you can negotiate, but these are the apps are very useful if you want to travel within the city for ziyarats or any shopping places. And keeping both of them will let you know have a comparison of both the apps. If you want to go to somewhere, you can compare both the rates of Uber and Qalam and the individual riders that are standing outside your hotels. It makes it quite easy for you to select a cost-effective ride if you have many options like this. And the next app is Talaba, one of my favorite app. If you're going to order some food and some stuff and any grocery type stuff in Saudi Arabia, then this is the app you must have in your phone, because usually it happens that people buy hotels which don't have any food options and any buffet, because or in some cases the buffet of the hotel are not cost effective, so therefore you would say that I will have my own food. So in this case, you must have this to order food inside your hotel room. They will provide you on the hotel lobby, and you have to go downstairs and to pick your order. So this is the must have app in your phone if you are a foodie person and you want food of your choice. What's more, just like the other countries, this app will give you option to pay cash or either by card. And another important app you should have in your phone is the Qibla direction, because when you are traveling or either you're in a hotel or you're not sure about where the Qibla direction is, so you must have this Qibla direction app in your phone as well. This is going to help you a lot. There are times when you are in different ziyarat and you don't know where the Qibla direction is, so this will help you to pray in correct direction. And another app you should have in your phone is a translation app. If useful for communication with local Arabs. There are times when you go to shopping that there are people who don't understand your language or English, so in that case you must need this type of apps to make them comfortable and make them understand what you're trying to say and to understand what they are saying. So you must have some kind of a translation app in your phone. You can download any translation app, but make sure it is Arabic. It translates Arabic into English or your language. So this is the important app you should have in your phone as well. The next app is Hajj and Umrah app. It is a user-friendly application with an eye-catching interface. Features the app including a comprehensive guideline for performing Umrah and Hajj, and provided in a step-by-step format. It gives you access to different videos to understand the Hajj and Umrah as well, dua. So this is a good app to have in your phone if you are going for Umrah. The next app is Quran app. You must have in your phone. At times it happens like you don't have access to Quran in your bag, and you cannot take Quran to everywhere. So in this case you must need Quran in your mobile app, as it is more convenient to read Quran through mobile, and it is less hassle free, as keeping Quran with you is quite a big responsibility. You have to take care of it. So in that case, having a Quran app in your mobile phone is very, very useful. So I have included all the basic and important apps in this video that is going to make your Umrah journey hassle free and seamless. And I highly recommend you to download these all apps in your phone before going for a Umrah journey. And I hope this is going to make your Umrah journey more easy and more comfortable. So do remember me in prayers, and I hope you have a wonderful time while going for Umrah. And I hope this video have helped you a lot, and do remember me in your prayers. Do take care.